Hello everyone. So today we will do an activity in Scratch 3.0. So let's see our activity first. So our activity name is what is password. Okay, so let's get started. So for it, our step number 1, let's see. Bring a knight from your sprite library, then load Castle 1 and Castle 2 from your backdrops library. So here we will go on sprite first. We will bring a night. And the next thing we will do is we will bring the backdrops. Castle 1 and the second castle number 2. Okay, so we have taken three backdrops over here. So it is castle 1. We will delete the first one, castle 1 and castle 2. Okay, so let's go on coding again. Now let's see the next thing what we have to do is so start night script when flag click. Okay, now we will do the coding over here. We will take when clicked first from the event block. The second thing we will take switch backdrop to castle number 2. So we will take switch backdrop to castle number 2. We will take show block from the looks and we will take go to x minus 132 and y minus 9. So we will take go to x in motion block, and for the first we will take minus 132 and the second we will take minus 9 over here. Let's see the another step and ask health what is the password and wait. We will go on the sensing block and we will take health. What is the password? Okay, so we have done this coding. Now let's see the another step and start night script when flag click events, switch backdrop to castle number 2. Okay, this we have done. The next thing we have to take step number 3, introduction, condition if, then else, control block. Use the answering block in the operator from password check, type pumpkin as a password. So we will take it. First we will go on the control block. We will take if, then and else one. Now we will go on the sensing block and we will take answer over here. So let's find for the answer. Here is the answer one. Okay, so for it first we have to take we have to go on operators and we have to take the equals to 1 over here. This one. Now we will here write pumpkin. First we will add the answer block and here we will write pumpkins. Enter it. Let's see the another one. Okay, here is in spelling correction, pumpkins. Enter it. Okay, let's see the another step over here. Just drag it and place it little upside. Okay, let's see the another step. Now step number 4. What we have to do? We have to take the block, say that's correct for 2 seconds and switch back drop to castle number 1 and high. So we will go on the loop. We will take say and now we will take that as correct. We have taken that's correct answer and we will take wait for 2 seconds over here. Now we will take switch backdrop to castle number 1. So we will take switch backdrop. No, we have to remove this. We will take it upside. Switch backdrop to castle number 1 and we will take the another option of height. Okay, so this one is ready over here. Now our coding is almost completed over here. We have to take the last one, which is say no. Click the flag to try again for 2 seconds. Okay. So we will take say. Now we will take no. Click the flag to try again. So here we will write click the flag to try again. Enter this to and let's see the another step. Step number 6. Your turn, challenge yourself. Okay, now we can create many more. So now let's see our coding. So we will go on our activity page. Let's go. And now let's see our coding. Okay, so now do the full screen to see our results. When we will click on the green flag, so here it's asking. So now we will write the answer, enter it. So you will say that's the correct answer. Okay, so this was our activity of what is password. Okay, so see you soon with a new video. Thank you.